Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is a very interesting and egg lover's delight, that is egg Manchurian. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First, I'm going to make a batter for the egg pieces. For this you would need 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour or Maida. Season it with a little salt and some fresh pepper. So mix everything. I'm going to add a little water to this and make it into a nice batter. Mix it till everything is well combined and it's nice and smooth. Take the egg pieces, dip in the batter, make sure it's all coated well, and then once the oil is hot, just fry it. So you can see, you don't want it too brown. Once you get a nice golden color, just remove them from the oil and keep it aside. Take a pan, I'm going to add a little sesame oil for 2 teaspoons. To this, I'm going to add chopped garlic, chopped ginger. Saute this for about 30 seconds. Then add the spring onion whites, piece of green bell pepper or capsicum chopped. Saute this for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Reduce the flame. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is light soy sauce. If you're using the dark soy sauce, you can use half tablespoon. 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Season this with some fresh pepper. Add the fried egg pieces. Now add the spring onion greens. Turn off the stove. Your egg Manchurian is ready to be served. So here is another option that you can try using eggs. It's a great starter and you can also have it with noodles or with fried rice. It's just a wonderful recipe. So do try and enjoy. There are other Manchurian recipes that I have made. You can check that out from my YouTube channel. You can buy my online Indian cooking classes on 21frames.in/classes.